Welcome back to Autoland, your ultimate destination for everything powerful, futuristic, and on wheels. If you're into buses that break the boundaries of style, comfort, and engineering, you're going to love what we have for you today. We're talking about the HAGEM C2 VHD 2026, a next-generation luxury coach that's built not just to transport passengers, but to redefine the entire travel experience. At first glance, the HAGEM C2 VHD 2026 stands out with its futuristic aerodynamic design. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, featuring sharp LED matrix headlights and a wide panoramic windshield that wraps around the cabin, giving it a sleek, spaceship-like appearance. The clean lines and aerodynamic curves not only improve the aesthetics, but also enhance fuel efficiency and reduce wind resistance on highways. Whether it's standing at a terminal or cruising at top speed on the motorway, the C2 VHD commands attention. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a next-gen hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. It delivers impressive torque and fuel economy, making it both powerful and eco-conscious. The 2026 model introduces advanced battery support, enabling short-range electric-only travel through city zones, which is perfect for reducing emissions in urban areas. Combined with a state-of-the-art automated transmission system, the ride is not only smooth, but whisper quiet. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a business-class lounge than a conventional bus. The seating is crafted with premium memory foam, ergonomic support, and comes with adjustable recline, leg rests, individual entertainment displays, USB-C charging ports, and ambient LED lighting. The seats are arranged for maximum legroom and comfort, and every row has panoramic windows to make the journey as scenic as it is relaxing. The HAGEM C2 VHD 2026 doesn't just focus on comfort, it's also engineered for safety and connectivity. The bus is equipped with 360-degree cameras, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and AI-based collision prevention systems. Drivers benefit from a fully digital dashboard with real-time diagnostics, navigation, and voice commands. And for passengers, there's onboard Wi-Fi, live GPS tracking, and even smart seat allocation via the HAGEM Connect app. One standout feature is the air purification system. With climate change and air quality becoming global concerns, HAGEM has added a triple-layer HEPA filtration system with automatic air quality monitoring, making the C2 VHD ideal for long-distance travel even in high-pollution areas. The luggage compartments are larger and smarter too. Powered hatches and an automatic load balancing system keep storage safe and optimized. Plus, the bus body is built from lightweight composite materials, which reduces total weight and boosts energy efficiency. What really makes the 2026 model shine is its tech integration. From real-time maintenance alerts to predictive breakdown diagnostics, HAGEM is pushing smart transportation to the next level. The onboard AI learns from driver behavior and road conditions to make recommendations for more efficient travel. Operators can manage fleet data remotely, making this not just a bus, but a tech-powered ecosystem on wheels. This bus is designed with sustainability in mind. Recyclable materials are used in interior finishes. Solar panels assist with onboard systems, and idle engine shutoff reduces unnecessary emissions. HAGEM has made sure the C2 VHD aligns with 2026's stringent global emission standards, while also delivering a luxurious and intelligent ride. And for those wondering about customization, yes, the HAGEM C2 VHD offers modular options. Whether it's city transport, intercity travel, or private luxury tour, the layout and features can be tailored to meet specific needs. From leather interiors to executive configurations with meeting tables and coffee machines, this bus can do it all. So, whether you're a fleet operator looking for a modern and reliable solution, or just someone who appreciates beautiful engineering and futuristic design, the HAGEM C2 VHD 2026 deserves your attention. It's not just a mode of transport, it's an experience that blends technology, comfort, and sustainability into one seamless package. Thanks for watching Autoland. If you enjoyed this look at the HAGEM C2 VHD 2026, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic rides, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates from the world of autos. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your engines roaring only on Autoland.